So a campaign mailer that was circulated in Benton County is raising some questions. 4029 reached out to both candidates for Circuit Judge Division 8 to get the facts.
A mailer was sent out by Benton County Circuit Judge District 8 candidate Tim McDonald's campaign. McDonald, who is currently a trial attorney, says that he wanted to show voters the differences between him and his opponent, Ryan Blue. Blue is also an attorney in Northwest Arkansas. The mailer shows a photo of Ryan Blue and of Tim McDonald, the candidates for Circuit Judge Division 8. McDonald tells 4029 News that the picture is a, quote, enhanced and edited image showing Ryan Blue's booking photo after he was arrested for DWI, refusal to submit a chemical test, and improper lane use in May 2023. McDonald says the information in the mailer is accurate.
Everything in the mailer is absolutely factual. Beginning with the alcohol-related arrest, as well as him having his own criminal records sealed so that the public can't access them.
He told 4029 News that his campaign created and sent out the mailer to inform voters and provide transparency in the race.
The issue in this race is about who has the right experience and who has the right record in order to be a person to serve as a circuit judge in a new criminal division. I hope that the voters can look at our records and our experience and make a decision based off that information about who the best person for this position is.
McDonald also shared on his public Facebook page this screenshot from the Benton County Jail, which he says is the original public booking photo from the Benton County Sheriff's Office. 4029 asked McDonald about differences between this booking photo and the image in his mailer, in particular that Blue appears to be a different height in two images. McDonald attributed the differences to, quote, cropping and editing. In a statement, McDonald said he should have just used the original booking photo. 4029 reached out to Blue for an interview on camera. He declined to speak with us in person, but sent a statement which in part accuses McDonald of using artificial intelligence to create the image used in the mailer. He calls the image, quote, unethical and adds, quote, this is not normal. It cannot become the new normal, especially in judicial races. If we allow fake images to influence elections, we weaken trust, not just in campaigns, but in the justice system itself, end quote. In a post on Ryan Blue's campaign Facebook page, Blue acknowledged that he had been, quote, pulled over on suspicion of DWI. Blue also wrote, the judge who reviewed his case, Ray Bunch in Bentonville, said, quote, there was no lawful reason for me to have been pulled over, end quote. Now, we did reach out to Bentonville police for records, but we have not heard back.